Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. I'm just so excited to share with you again our new back acclimation kit. If you see behind me, this is something we're doing just about every parent and talk class. The children are really engaged. They look at what we now are using waterproof stickers, and they're not scared to be on their back. They're really getting adjusted to being on their back. And it's just really a great activity, and I'm going to show you some more video of us using them, and you can find these at SwimLessonsUniversity.com. Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. Today I'm thrilled to introduce to you our brand new Swim Lessons University Back Acclimation Kit tool. It's a swim lesson tool that will help your beginners get comfortable going on their backs. Let's take a look. All right, switchboards.
What do you see on there?
Right there.
What is it?
It's a cricket.
It's like a cricket.
What is that?
I bet.
A parrot. What is that one?
And the octopus.
What about that one?
It's a bear.
Good job. Where's the horse? Yeah, where's the blue dolphin? Wow. Good job.
Right. A kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
A penguin.
Penguin.
A giraffe.
Giraffe.
What color is that?
Show me the puppy. Right here. Show me the lobster.
J's for jellyfish. Jellyfish? Is it jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
And what's this one?
Honey.
Honey? And who's eating the honey?
The bear.
The bear. If you're interested in our brand new back acclimation kit, go to SwimLessonsUniversity.com. On the top nav bar, click Swim Instructor Tools, and then you'll see an icon Swim Instructor Accessories. Click that and order your kit today.